Welcome to Toolhive. In this video, we will see how to log in to Toolhive application and explore the features and functionalities available. Once you register and create your own account, you can log in to Toolhive. Type your email ID and password respectively and click on Login button. This will bring you to the home page of Toolhive application. It will bring you to the section called Items, under which you can see the tab My Items. This tab contains all your tool item-related data that you already created in your account. You can switch to Tool Catalog tab from where you can get access to readily available tool data from multiple tooling brands at your fingertips. You can transfer tool-related data easily from here to My Items and save them for your next actions. Both these tabs belong to the section of Items. Then there is a section called as Assemblies, where you can see all the tool assemblies you already created inside your database. There is also a quick check to find that which assemblies are ready to be imported into CAM plugin you installed. Here it is, MasterCam. In the Import History section, you will find the tools that were imported most recently. In the Marketplace area, you have online access to the data catalogs of some leading tooling brands, which are currently Sandvik Coromant, Seco, and Walter. Then there is a section of Tool Comparison, where you can compare different tool item data for a detailed analysis. At the bottom, in the Account Settings option, you can access your account-related info, as well as plugins and subscription management. By clicking on Logout button, you can exit the Toolhive application. Thanks for watching.